Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. BSc Nursing, BScN, परीक्षा 2024 हेतु पाठ्यक्रम सिलेबस टोटल मार्क्स 100 भौतिकी फिजिक्स यूनिट्स एंड डायमेंशंस डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस SI units motion in 2 dimensions. Cases of uniform velocity and uniform acceleration, general relation among position and velocity, uniform circular motion, force and inertia, Newton's laws of motion, conservation of momentum and energy, static and kinetic friction, work energy and power, elastic collisions, potential energy, gravitational potential energy and its angular conversion to kinetic energy. Potential energy of a spring-rigid body, rotation and conservation of its momentum, moment of inertia, theorems of parallel and perpendicular axis, moment of inertia of uniform ring, disc, thin rod and cylinder only, acceleration due to gravity and its variation, universal law of gravitation, geostationary, satellites, escape velocity, Hooke's law, Young's modulus, shear and bulk modulus, surface energy and surface tension, kinetic theory of gases, gas laws, kinetic energy and temperature. Specific heats at constant volume and constant pressure, mechanical equivalent of heat, isothermal and adiabatic processes. Heat conduction in one dimension, convection and radiation. Stefan's law and Newton's law of cooling. Periodic motion, simple harmonic motion, oscillations due to spring. Wave motion, principle of superposition. Progressive and stationary waves, beats and Doppler effect. Wave nature of light. Interference, Young's double slit experiment, velocity of light and Doppler's effect in light. Reflection, refraction, total internal reflection, curved mirrors, lenses, mirror and lens formulae. Dispersion in prism, absorption and emission spectra. The human eye, defects of vision, magnification and resolving power of telescope and microscope. E and EM for an electron, Einstein's photoelectric equation, photocells. Bohr model of the atom, hydrogen spectrum, composition of nucleus, atomic masses and isotopes, radioactivity, laws of radioactive decay, decay constant, half-life and mean life, mass-energy relation, fission, X-ray, properties and uses. Elementary ideas of conductor, semiconductor and insulator, intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors, p-n junction as a rectifier. Bar magnet, lines of force, torque on a bar magnet due to magnetic field, Earth's magnetic field, tangent galvanometer, vibration magnetometer. Coulomb's law of electrostatics, dielectric constant, electric field and potential due to a point charge, dipole, dipole field, Gauss's law in simple geometrics. Electrostatic potential, capacitance, parallel plate and spherical capacitors, capacitors in series and parallel, energy of a capacitor. Electric current, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's laws, resistances in series and parallel, temperature dependence of resistance, Wheatstone bridge, potentiometer. Measurement of voltages and currents. Electric power, heating effects of currents, chemical effects and law of electrolysis. Thermoelectricity, Biot-Savart law, magnetic fields due to a straight wire, circular loop and solenoid. Force on a moving charge in a magnetic field, Lorentz force, magnetic moment of a current loop, effect of a uniform magnetic field of a current loop, forces between two currents, moving. Galvanometer, ammeter and voltmeter. Electromagnetic induction induced EMF, Faraday's law. Lenz law, self and mutual inductance. Alternating currents, impedance and reactance, growth and decay of current in LR circuit, elementary idea of dynamo and transformer. Rasayan, chemistry. General and physical chemistry. Structure of atom, constitution of nucleus, Bohr's atom model, quantum numbers of Bohr principle, electronic configuration of elements, up to Kr. de Broglie relation, shapes of orbitals. Chemical bond, electrovalent, covalent and coordinate bonds, hybridization, sp hydrogen bond, shapes of molecules, VACPR theory, bond polarity resonance. Elements of VBT-AM.O.T. Solutions, modes of expressing concentrations of solutions, types of solutions, Rolle's law of covigative properties, non-ideal solution, abnormal molecular weights. Solid-state crystal lattices, unit cells, structure of ionic compounds, close-packed structure, ionic radii, imperfections, point defects, properties of solids. Nuclear chemistry, radioactive radiations, half-life, radioactive decay, group displacement law, structure and properties of nucleus, nuclear reactions, disintegration series, artificial transmutation, isotopes and their uses, radiocarbon dating. Chemical equilibrium, law of mass action, Kp and Kc, Le Chatelier principle and its applications. Ionic equilibria in solutions, solubility product, common ion effect, theories of acids and base, hydrolysis of salts, pH, buffers. Thermochemistry and thermodynamics, energy changes during a chemical reaction, intrinsic energy, enthalpy. First law of thermodynamics, Hess's law, heats of reactions. Second law of thermodynamics, entropy, free energy, spontaneity of a chemical reaction, free energy change and chemical equilibrium, free energy as energy available for useful work. Inorganic chemistry. Principles of metallurgical operations, furnaces, ore concentration, extraction, purification, metallurgies of Na, Al, Fe, Cu, Ag, Zn and Pb and their properties. Chemical periodicity, S, P, D and F block elements, periodic table, periodicity, atomic and ionic radii, valency, ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity, metallic character. Comparative study of elements, comparative study of the following families of elements: I, alkali metals; 2, alkaline earth metals; 3, nitrogen family; 4, oxygen family; V, halogens; 6, noble gases. Transition metals, electronic configuration of 30 metal ions, oxidation states, other general characteristic properties, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate. Coordination compounds, simple nomenclature, bonding and stability, classification and bonding in organometallics. Chemical analysis, chemistry involved is simple inorganic qualitative analysis, calculations based on acid-base stereometry. Organic chemistry, calculation of empirical and molecular formulae of organic compounds, nomenclature of organic compounds, common functional groups, isomerism, structure and shapes of alkenes, alkenes and benzene. Preparation, properties and uses of alkynes, alkynes and alkenes, benzene, petroleum, cracking, octane number, gasoline additives. Nomenclature. Physical chemical properties, correlation of physical properties with structures, properties and uses of haloalkanes, halobenzenes, alcohols and phenols, general ideas of some polyhalogen compounds with dichloroethanes, dichloroethers, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, DDT, benzene, hexachloride. Nomenclature, methods of preparation, chemical properties, correlations of physical properties with structures and uses of ethers, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids and their derivatives. Brief account of the chemistry of cyanides, isocyanides, amines and nitro compounds. Polymerase classification, preparation and uses of common natural and synthetic polymers. Biomolecules, classification, structures and biological importance of carbohydrates, amino acids, peptides, proteins and enzymes, nucleic acids and lipids. जीव विज्ञान बायोलॉजी, वनस्पति विज्ञान बॉटनी, भाग 1. Structural organization of cell, theory, light and electron microscopic view of cell structure and functions of cell organelles, nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, microbodies, microfilaments, ribosomes, centrioles, and plasmids. Eukaryotic chromosome, morphology, cell and plasma membrane. Differences between plant and animal cell division. Cell cycle signifies of mitosis and meiosis. Mendel's laws of inheritance, monohybrid and dihybrid cross, linkage and crossing over of genetic material, DNA replication, genetic code, transcription, translation and gene regulation. Difference between prokaryote and eukaryotes, structure, reproduction and economic importance of viruses, mycoplasma, bacteriophage, cyanobacteria, nostoc, and bacteria. 5 kingdom classification, binomial nomenclature, external morphology and life cycle of Spirogyra, Mucor, Funaria, Salmonella and elementary knowledge of microsporogenesis, megasporogenesis, fertilization, endosperm and embryo development in angiosperms. Tissue and tissue systems. Meristematic and permanent issue. Mineral nutrition essential elements and their functions. Uptake of minerals, transport of water, arid solutes. Transpiration, photosynthesis and respiration importance. Mechanism, arid factors affecting these processes, photorespiration. Enzymes and growth hormones with reference to their classification. Chemical nature, mode of action and importance, elementary idea of photoperiodism and phytochrome. Ecosystem structures and function, major ecosystems i.e. lake and forest, food chain. Food web and energy flow. Ecological cryst's role of man in polluting environment, air, water and soil. Role of plants in human welfare, a general knowledge of plant products of economic value, drugs, fibers, cereals. Wheat and rice, pulses, gram, oil seeds, ground nut. Sugarcane, coal and petroleum. Food preservation methods and importance. Principles of plant breeding and its role in improvement of crops. Biotechnology, scope and importance in agriculture and industries, manufacture of cheese, yogurt, alcohol, antibiotics. Prani Shastra Zoology, Bhag 2. Multicellularity, structure and functions of animal life. Structure and function of animal tissues, epithelial, connective, muscular, skeletal and nerve. Histology of mammalian organs, stomach, intestine, liver, kidney, lung, testes and ovary. Structure and physiology of different organ systems of human body, skin, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system. Skeleton, joints, muscles on the basis of movement, receptors. Endocrine system with special reference to various endocrine glands of man and hormonal coordination, vitamin, minerals, source and disorders due to deficiencies. Developmental biology and genetics. Female reproductive cycles in mammals. Gametogenesis along with structure of sperm and ovum. Types of eggs. Fertilization, cleavage, types of cleavage and blastula. Development of mammals up to 3 germinal layers, fetal membrane structure and functions in mammals. Growth, repair and aging, amniocentesis. Chromosomes, types of chromosome, human karyotype and chromosomal abnormalities and syndromes. Hormonal, chromosomal and genic balance, theory of sex determination. Sex linkage and sex-linked inheritance in man. Blood groups and their significance, blood bank. Tissue culture, genetic engineering, brief idea. Mutation, gene mutation. Human population natality, mortality, sex ratio, population explosion, dynamics of human life with respect to food supply, housing, health and standard of living, impact of population, problems and their control. MY Evolution Economic Zoology. Classification, binomial and trinomial nomenclature, basic features of classification. Classification of different animal phyla up to classes with characters and suitable examples. Origin of life. Theories of organic evolution, Darwin, Lamarck, synthetic. Evidences of organic evolution. Human evolution. Economic zoology, sericulture, apiculture, lag culture, poultry, fishery and peril industry, protozoan disease in relation to man. Insect-carrying diseases in relation to man. Cancer, types of cancer and cancer cell. Communicable diseases, hepatitis, AIDS, STD, immune response, vaccines and antisera, allergies. Smoking, alcoholism and drug addiction, symptoms and control. Wildlife conservation. Pesticides uses, advantages and hazards. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our content.